Most riders wait till midsummer to start thinking about those long rides and crushing those miles. But if you don't start preparing now, you're already behind.
Riding season's here, and if you've been planning some longer trips over the winter, now the time's come and it's time to get your things dialed in now. So if you're into getting your bike dialed in right, if you're into builds, vlogs, or anything motorcycle related, hit the subscribe button and let's get started.
Now, you've probably taken a few minutes to go over your bike and check everything out, make sure that it's ready for this new season. But if you haven't, check the link down below. We've got our 5 spring checklist. You're gonna love it. Anyway, back to this video. We need to ensure that we condition our bodies and we start that conditioning now for those longer trips. The wind, the weight of the helmet, the seat time, everything is going to wreak havoc on your neck, your shoulders, your back. So we need to gradually take this time before your longer rides to spend more time in the saddle. And then we need to make sure that we have the right accessories and equipment on your bike.
It's time to get comfort dialed in early. You're gonna wanna look at things such as your seat, your windshield, and even your bar setup. What feels good for the first 30 minutes might not feel good for 6-7 hours.
Now, the other thing you need to get dialed in is your gear, okay? If you're taking your trip to the coffee shops in one of these, you're probably gonna want one of these. So let's get away from an open face helmet for those long trips and get yourself something that's modular, or maybe just a full face. Now, comms are always nice. It's always great to have your visor. Tinted is always good, but you need to make sure that that is clean and free of any dust and debris. You also want to make sure you check your gloves, your jacket, your boots, your rain gear. Make sure that you have all of that gear ready for that next big long ride. When you're spending that kind of time in the saddle, you're going to go through all kinds of heat, cold, and different types of weather. So now, let's talk strategy. Where are we going? How long are we going for? Are we ready for all that different weather that we're going to see from dusk till dawn? Maybe we're taking a passenger along with us and we need to think about our secondary seat. Now, on these baggers, we have the opportunity to pack in our saddlebags, and we can also add additional storage like our tour pack here. It allows us to pack our tools, our rain gear, all of our layers, all of our luggage, your extra shoes, all of those things. Now, not everybody gets to ride a big giant bagger like this, but that's okay. We didn't start that way. So, we take something like this, a nice waterproof bag. We put a luggage rack on the back of your bike and we strap that down. The other option, if you're not on a big bagger, we can just do a sissy bar and set it on the back of the seat, and the bonus is you get yourself a backrest.
Most importantly, you wanna put in some seat time. Odds are you're gonna hit some rain, so get out and ride in the rain. And if you're ever gonna have a passenger, get them on the bike, get out and ride. The most important thing for your bike is seat time, but start gradually. First day, do an hour. The next day, 2, 4, 8. Work your way up. This is gonna help your bike adjust, and most importantly, it's gonna help you adjust. And for a bonus, you wanna find out what annoys you. All the little things. Anything that bothers you just a little bit on a short ride is gonna annoy you like crazy on a long ride. Whether it's small little vibrations, rattling, or things don't work just enough to tick you off. You wanna catch that now and make sure the rest of your ride is nothing but smooth sailing.
If you like this video so far, check out this one. It's our 5 Moto must-haves. It's gonna make your life a lot more comfortable and a lot more fun on those longer trips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.